Alright guys, we are back with another episode, starting this one out inside the house. We have right here in front of us a big box. This is a big part for the front end and I am so freaking excited for it, guys. So we're just gonna jump straight into it. Let's get this thing. Alright, oh, it looks like we have a box within a box. I'm so excited for this one, guys. Do this one-handed. All right. Okay, so we have the new headlights. Now, before I show you guys which headlights these are, I am going to say right now, I'm not a baller, and we can't afford the ones that I really want. They're like almost $1,000. I don't even remember how to say the name, but these ones are just as good in my opinion, and they will definitely do for now. So we're keeping it the same style as what we pretty much had before. You guys should already know what I mean by that. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Let's see what we got.
What's your butt?
I'm pulling my butt out. You have to say hi to the vlog now.
Oh,
you just love stepping in front of the camera, don't you?
Hi.
Alright guys, so here are the new headlights. Oh my god, these are so sick. Oh, I'm so happy. Here they are, guys. These are sequential as well, just like what I had before. And we are, in fact, going to have them also redone to where it's pretty much exactly like what I had before. I am not going to use this bulb because I don't like the fact that there's this and that. So we're just going to not even connect that one. But nonetheless, here it is, guys. So freaking stoked. We're gonna get these installed today. Alright guys, we got them both on. Oh, I want to pull it out so bad to see what this looks like. Now, I don't know if the headlights are in the exact right position at the moment. The reason for it, I just found out that this tab right here is supposed to go there, but it's not going to align. Now, the reason for that, I'm assuming it's because none of this belongs on this car. You're just kind of just making it work. But I think once we have everything mounted up and it is where it's supposed to be, I'm probably gonna drill out a hole or something, or maybe even bend this tab to here, weld it. That's pretty thin, but I'll try to weld it or just glue it. And if I ever need to remove it, I'll just take these two screws off right there. But I know it's not the best shot, but we have the headlights on. So now let me try to get these fenders put back on now. It's a little difficult because I try to get this one on and it is a little hard because you have a slot on the fender that actually goes right in here and everything. It's a little tricky, but let me go ahead and try it real quick. So I do have a little bit of a weird gap here. Don't know what that is, but I have it mounted up all together. Okay, and so that's, I guess, an idea of what we're looking like. I need to get that piece cut, like I said, and I need to get the other fender on, so that could actually be exactly where it's gonna be. But I think this all looks really good. I want to close the hood and get an idea. All right, look at that. That's looking really good. And of course, like I said, we don't have any hood shocks or any hood mounts or anything latches, so it's sitting a bit low. But nonetheless, the gapping looks already better than it did earlier. So I'm assuming because the headlight's in, it's pushing the fender where it needs to be. So this gap we'll try to figure out, but there it is. That looks really good. I'm so happy, guys. I was honestly scared to do this, and I still am very nervous, hoping that everything just goes right and everything goes well and it looks good, like it belongs. And so far I'm very happy. I've never done any conversion like this ever. And this is fun. This is awesome. So my advice is get out there and just try new things, guys, honestly, because you don't know what you're gonna come up with, and you're gonna learn what you're capable of. If you never try, you'll never know. And I've done a lot of crazy stuff with the cars, and since I was a kid, I've always loved conversion kits, whether it's from left-hand or right-hand drive conversion and swaps and all that kind of stuff, but I've never done anything like that. So this is a first for me, and I'm super proud of myself. I'm very happy. This is looking really, really good. So I'm gonna get this fender on now, right here, and then yeah, and then we'll go ahead and close the hood and see how it's looking then, and we should have a better idea of pretty much where everything's going to be, how it's going to be, and then we'll try to fit the bumper up. In the last video, it latched on to that side really well, and then over here it was kind of sticking out. I think now that the fender is where it's supposed to be because of the headlight, I think the bumper should fit up a lot nicer now. It's seriously a pain. I got it to clip in, sorta. I think it's because it's so new, but then I also don't have any mounting spots there, so this keeps popping out, and then when I'm forcing this, that side pops out. I guess it's still in there, sorta, but we get a really good idea though what it's gonna look like. I wanted to pull it outside, but I cannot seem to get this bumper to stay on, so it's like I need to really figure out a way. I have the piece coming that goes here, which will mount up, and then that, yeah, it all just connects basically. So that might help a little bit, but we get an idea. So let's go ahead and close the hood now, see what she looks like. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you guys like it so far. This is awesome. I'm so happy. Look at how freaking cool that looks. So yeah, the main issues, like I said, that we're having is the mounting spot here, which so I'm gonna have to look that up, and then the mounting spot there. That side is just fine, totally fine. But it's this right here. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But there it is, guys. Now imagine it all painted. The fender is up how it's supposed to be. I have the grill and the lip kit on. Oof. Oh yeah. This is so cool. Let's get a little bit closer. So like I said, look at that thing, it's just flapping because there's nothing in here. So that'll come out to there once we get the other fender. I need to cut this. quick little walk around of it. This gate's popping out because there's nowhere for it to go, but that's pretty much gonna sit like that. This side's a lot better. It's not even really mounted up either, but much better. The first time. Check it out. It looks so incredible. Oh, all right, let's pull her out. There it is, guys. We ran into our first issue, which was I forgot about the hood cable, and it got caught, ripped, and because it pulled it, it just destroyed the button or the hood opener. So I'm gonna have to buy another one of those now. Well, that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. But let's check it out. Here it is, guys, outside. And I know nothing is really where it's supposed to be, like I said. It's getting there, but it's not 100%. But that's it, guys. Bro. Oh my God, let's air it out. I'm so happy, guys. This is so cool. We are definitely gonna need to work on the fitment and everything. Yeah, see, now we can stick our hand up under there. So I don't know really what changed. The fitment was better here than it was on that side. Let me see if it's the same now on this side. It's about the same. I don't really understand what changed, but regardless, there it is, guys. Oh, this is so cool. We can actually see it from the front. Damn, dude, this is unreal. Unreal. Could be this, because this is actually gonna end up being about right there. I think we need to adjust actually that, but there it is, guys. Wow, I can't get over this, dude. This is so unreal to me. Like, I've always loved G37s, always, and I would love to own a G37 because I love the interior. It's just, you know, a little bit more modern, beefier motor, all of that, but I really always loved how the front ends look. And now I have one on my G35. This is so cool to see. And I'm happy that most of the front end is black already, so we get a little bit of a better idea rather than everything being like multicolor. The only difference is the hood being red. But there it is, guys. That's an idea of what it's gonna look like. And like I said, we still have to get the grille. We still are gonna have a front lip kit, so the front will end up being on the floor, just like the rest of the car. I think this is like the best angle. It's a little hard to see still because it's black. But there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and of course make sure to smash that subscribe button if you guys are not already. This is awesome. I am so happy. It's just so clean. It's just so clean. Like, you know, once we get this all fitted up properly, we don't have any of those bumper tab release things, or it's just, yes. Oh, I love it. These headlights are so cool. I just can't get over it. It's crazy because like I've seen so many G35s out there at shows and you know whatnot, walked by them, but for some reason it's different. Like it's my car and I built this and it doesn't belong on this car, but I made it belong on this car, and I'm just so happy, guys. So please make sure to leave a thumbs up. I'm really working hard on this car and on the content for you guys so we can grow the channel and we can do a lot more exciting things, because there's still a lot of really good things that I want to do. Oh my god, let's just take another look. So cool. So I think this is where we're gonna leave today's video off. Yeah, because there's really not much more we can do. We got the headlights installed. We have pretty much everything there is installed. We just have to wait for more of the latch, the hood striker, and everything like that, so we can really start to line the hood up, and then from there we'll start lining everything else up around that. But nonetheless, I'm so happy, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I hope you guys like it. And stay tuned. The next video I think is most likely going to be on the hood, installing the hood latch, the hood strikers. That way it'll actually latch, and what that's gonna allow us to do is pull these fenders off and actually get the hood hinges welded up, because like I said, once that's latched, that'll be in place. We can weld that and then start working around it. So that's the game plan. And then from there, I still need to get the G35 fenders, which I already have them. I just have to pull them off of his car and bring them here. But me not having a car right now, it's a little difficult. But once we get that, that's when we could really begin cutting and modifying the fenders, and that's where it's, I think, really gonna start pulling together even more. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a fat thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys are notified the next time I drop a video. Right now I'm gonna be trying to drop a video every other day, so Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, not on the weekends. I'm gonna try my best to stick to that. It's a lot of work, and on top of it, just normal life, but I'm gonna try my absolute best to make that happen for you guys. So stay tuned for the next video, guys, and I hope to catch you all there. Let's just take one more quick look. All right, guys, I hope to catch you on the next one. Till next time, as always, peace out.